got this cool flower press on Amazon. It comes with some blot papers and cardboard papers. I'm gonna take the flower and dry them off with a piece of paper towel. Then I'm gonna cut the stem off and place the flowers where I want them to be pressed at. This is my first time flower pressing. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. Next, I'm gonna start my second layer. Just got a few more to go. I really hope this works. I really want to preserve these flowers. They mean a lot to me and to other people. So now that I'm thinking about it, I think I need to cut the stems off a little more. I'm just gonna work my way through this real quick and then redo them. Look how pretty some of these flowers are. This is quite a bit flowers on this layer. I might have to spread it out a little more. Again, this is my first time flower pressing. Now I'm cutting the stems off, and as you can see, the flower now sits better on the paper, where before it was kind of on its side. Okay, now that I have them how I want, I'm gonna go ahead and put the blotting paper on top with the cardboard piece and do that again with the second layer. Then when I got that all done, I'm gonna put the flower press top on top of it. Time to tighten the flower press, and in about a week I'm going to check on the flowers and see how well they did. Last screw. Oops. Okay, it's been about a week, so I'm going to go ahead and pop this open. Oops, dropped my phone. Okay, let's open the cardboard part and the paper next. Come on, let's get it opened. Okay, here's the leaves, which I didn't show earlier, but I went ahead and pressed those. Now for the flowers. As you can see, it's collected some moisture from them. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna flatten them for a few more days, but what do you think?